we're at the gym, leg day, and I would like to introduce the sexiest man I know,
Please.
Mr. Ramesh.
It takes one to know.
Oh, but apna khud say something about yourself. You know, to the viewer who doesn't know who Ramesh is. Who's Ramesh?
All right, so I am a doctor by profession, and personally, that was, sorry, I'm a doctor by profession, and I think that was because healing has always been my calling.
Hell yeah. So we're doing legs, and I'm gonna be following Ramesh by his workout because I'm little. मैं अपना बोर हो गया leg day कर करके. So I'm gonna be doing what he's doing. So what are we gonna start with?
All right, so essentially, leg days should always begin with a little bit of warm up. I just did 5 minutes on the treadmill and 5 minutes of stretching. Stretching is par essential before any workout. I cannot
100%.
stress this enough.
Even post stretching, but
Yes,
workout के बाद भी
that too.
helps a lot.
But 90% of injuries can be avoided if you guys just take 5 minutes out of your time to stretch. So please, by all means, stretch first, work out later. We're starting with hip adduction, abduction, and calf raises. Now, a lot of people find this counterintuitive. They're like, "यार, आप इन exercises से शुरू क्यों कर रहे हैं?" 9 times out of 10, by the end of your workout, you're so exhausted, your accessories never end up getting hit. Now, the accessory muscles which protect the sides of your leg and the bottom of your leg, they're kind of stabilizing muscles, and you need to ensure that they have good stability because they will power through all the other lifts. So my recommendation to anyone who's wanting to hit the most efficient leg day and fun, start with these and then go forward.
And I think these are the ones that people avoid the most because they're just like funny movements, I guess.
They look a little
Yeah, they look a little.
nice shot of us looking.
Nice stretch. Oh wow! Look who's here. What a smart lad.
What's good, bro? Good.
Put you on the spot.
So yeah,
What do you have to say to my YouTube?
hi YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the GOAT.
Hell yeah, let's go. Okay. Oh my god, you're gonna full stack it? Oh, this guy, oh my god. This guy, animal! He's gonna full stack it. Oh boy. Oh my god, look at him, bro.
For those of you who don't know, I grew up extremely overweight, like morbidly obese. So the one thing that I am thankful for is the fact that my legs got so accustomed to carrying all that excess weight that this just feels like child's play at one point, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're doing it so easily.
So not everything that happens to you in life is bad as long as you're willing to learn something from it.
Same baat. Watch me get like 2.
Easy. Now, not all of us can be as gifted and as hardworking as this man right here. Let's go. Easy.
Oh, too easy. Bro, you can't be perfect. Sahi hai. Obviously, I have weak points in my physique and my legs genetically are weak because मेरी insertions ऊपर हैं. सारा game होता है insertions का, obviously, as you know. Depends.
I have something very important to add to that, and the fact comparison is the thief of joy. You will
Exactly.
never be happy where you are if you
100%.
constantly compare yourself to other people.
You know, I've even said this like in my previous video, especially with bodybuilding, like it's a slippery slope. Because then आप फिर PEDs पे आ जाएंगे because you पागल हो जाएंगे because there's always gonna be someone who's bigger than you.
100%.
You get what I'm saying? So you just gotta be content with yourself.
Yes.
और यही तो मुश्किल होता है.
Content with yourself in the sense that you should be happy with where you are, but never satisfied to the point that it
Bro.
stops you from working harder.
It's like that, bro, spitting fire wala.
Yep.
100% you're right,
Because it's a
Yes,
fine
you're
line
saying,
between becoming complacent versus
Yeah,
being consistent.
100%.
So you just
Sahi
have to
baat
keep
hai.
showing up. You show up every single day. Maybe in the first week it may not show, in the first month, in the first few months, but eventually the results
are a
will
long
show.
game. Yeah, this is not a T20, this is a test match.
People don't have the patience in this day and age. People want to become millionaires overnight. People want to have 6 packs overnight, have
Sahi
the
baat hai.
dream body, dream mind, dream physique. Hard work and genuine hard work takes time, it takes effort, and the number one factor is grit. how badly do you want it, and
सही
how
बात है।
consistent are you willing to be with it.
सही बात है।
In today's day and age, the easiest thing that you can do is find excuses, because you know people will always find a way कि यार mood नहीं हो रहा, नींद बहुत आ रही है, time नहीं है. Bro, it's the same 24 hours. How you're willing to
Everyone,
optimize them, and that's not to say that there aren't people who have it harder, bro. Everyone's problems are different. Like I said, it falls back to do not compare yourself to the other people. Look at yourself. Look at the 24 hours that you have. Are you optimizing them in the best way possible? If yes, the results would come, and if no, optimize them and then the results will follow. Your best friend is time under tension. Really squeeze the muscle, hold it, slow and controlled. If you do them slow and controlled, I'm telling you, 4 reps slow and controlled is 10 times better than 8 reps of just absolute nonsense. Ye yaad rakhna. And that's not just for this exercise. For any exercise that you do, slow and controlled, time under tension, results will follow.
My टांगे. A lot of people say कि you know you've got skinny legs. All I have to say about that is I'm trying. सही है. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I've been working out, and हर चीज़ आपको again life में नहीं मिलती. So I know people go out of the. I guess काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों को knowledge भी इतनी नहीं होती इन चीज़ों की. तो वो तो बस face value पे देखते हैं. Upper body इतनी बड़ी, नीचे you know इतनी नहीं है. So then they, you know jump to conclusions. But in life, the only thing that matters is your niyat, your कोशिश, सब्र, मेहनत, शुक्र, बस. That's all. So even if you know I'm trying hard, मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, टांगों पे running कर रहा हूँ, सही है, I'm hitting legs twice a week. अगर नहीं बड़ी हो रही तो it's fine, you know, like there's nothing wrong in that, कि ज़िंदगी में आपको हर चीज़ नहीं मिलती. अब मैं expect नहीं करता कि मैं ऊपर से नीचे perfect होऊंगा. You know, आपकी खामियों में भी खूबसूरती होती है. तो and there's also benefits, by the way. So for example, this is not, you know, I'm not trying to cope or anything, but if you have skinny calves, you can jump really high. So you know, it's not like हर चीज़ की एक, you know, nothing's like always just bad. There's no bad and good. There's always a mix of the two. So ये किया हमने setup, and now we're gonna do abs.
The reason we'd like to incorporate some abs into a leg day is because, again, super underrated, but core strength transfers into every single one of your lifts. And again, the two things that a lot of people don't, you know, work as hard on are their legs and their core. So if your core is able to provide you the stability through your abdomen, it's going to translate to a better squat. You're going to feel a lot less tension in your spine as well, because पीछे से अगर आपकी erector spinae muscle, which is your back, it's strengthened, which a lot of the times it is, because people do enjoy deadlifting, people do enjoy hitting back day. They don't enjoy hitting core because it's a difficult muscle to hit, yeah, and it's boring. But उसको जब आप hit करेंगे, so front and back stability आ जाएगी. It's the same concept why we did the accessories first, the abduction, adduction. Accessories वो उनको shield करती हैं, and then your actual lifts are a lot more powerful, which is why we're going to do a set of abs now.
Let's go. He's doing it इतने मज़े से. This is quite difficult, by the way. Looks so easy. 20 kg plate as well. Quite impressive. Also do let me know if you guys are enjoying these videos. अच्छा लग रहा है, you know, look at me acting like a toxic girlfriend, you know, constantly asking for your validation and reassurance. So please, you know, leave a comment, maybe leave a like अगर आपको अच्छी लग रही है अब तक, कुछ helpful पता चला हो.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. क्या करेंगे?
Oh, now you can see it. There you go.
हाँ, now you can see it. The 4 lines.
Yes, sir.
What are we doing now? Now we're doing some hamstring curls कर रहा हूँ. Probably 3 set इसके करेंगे. This is the point of the workout. We're going to start pushing actively. ये होता है set. These are the sets that build your muscle. You know, realistically, if you're not making faces like this, if you're not literally crying अंदर से, you're not gonna build muscle, bro. Muscle टूटता है तो बनता है. दिल भी टूटता है तो ही सही से बनता है. Yo.
Hold on, let me spit. Let me spit. Let me spit. Let me spit. Crazy, freaking insane, yaar.
Oh, perfect. This guy is an absolute sweetheart, man. I have mad respect for this guy. He puts in the work, he puts in the effort, he's always going hard, and he's grounded. Like, he's the sort of person who you would go up to and say hi in public, and man wouldn't ever make you feel like, oh, you're entering high status vibe now. नहीं नहीं, ये बंदा जो है ये एक्चुअली लगता है चाहता है कि दूसरे लोग भी प्रोग्रेस करें, कुछ अच्छा सीखें इससे. So he doesn't know that I'm saying all of this, but it is an honor and a privilege to be working out with this guy. And right now, he's on the phone with his mom and he's asking for motivation. Come on. That's the sweetest thing, bro. Use that. Use that. Ali Raza Bhai for the win. Yeah. Mad lad indeed.
After the gym motivation, I was like, तुम्हारे जैसा कोई नहीं है दुनिया में. And then she was like, you're the best athlete. I said, that did fuel me up, I can't lie.
Hydration बहुत ज़रूरी है. One of the key elements to a good workout and to avoiding unnecessary injuries is adequate hydration. Pani piyo, and you know, a lot of these, you know, fitness influencers will, अच्छी बात है, you know, sponsorships होना, and you know, to have brand deals, better income, you know, more motivation to do better, get the message across to more people. But for those of you who are, let's say, limited on a budget, and you don't want to spring, you know, 5,000, 10,000 rupees for fancy electrolytes and BCAAs, we'll go for ORS. I do it all the time. So for your workout, half a sachet of ORS, drink it throughout your workout. Honestly, it's a financial life hack for, you know, gym bros. जब तक मछली जो पानी से निकाल दी जाए उसकी तरह ऐसे तड़प ना रही हो ना, तब तक रुकना नहीं हो.
Let's get it, bro. Oh, look at that. It's happening, bro. The machlis are machliing. Yeah. Crazy. Insane.
नाजरीन, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, अली रजा
बर्निंग जली है मेरी पूरी टांग.
रुकना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है. लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो. डोंट स्टॉप, ओके? रुकना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है, करते रहो. पुश इट, कीप पुशिंग, कीप पुशिंग, कीप पुशिंग. Or you cannot stop. रुकना नहीं है, just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yep. 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 Good. All right, now I want you to do a 10-second hold. Come on, all the way up, all the way up. And now hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. सितारे दिख रहे हैं.
Wow. इतना फर्क पड़ता है, bro. If you have,
Yeah, if you have
someone pushing you ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क bro.
अच्छा, I want to add to that because मैं भी solo workouts alhamdulillah आदत है, which is a good thing. You should
अभी turn the mic on, अदल्ला clear है.
All right, so one thing, you should be self-sufficient, which means that for the most part, you should be okay working out on your own, being on your own. You should be happy and you should be content with it. And you should be able to push yourself. However, if you find someone who has similar energy, like-mindedness, they're willing to push boundaries, they're willing to push beyond failure, they're willing to push you beyond your limits, I think it's essential that you try working out with them because आज का जो workout किया ना अली रज़ा के साथ,
Crazy, too.
I haven't had such a good leg day in a very long time.
Same, bro.
Big shout out to this guy for
Shout out to you.
mad lad energy.
I haven't had such an insane leg day in I don't know how long.
Alhamdulillah.
way.
Yes, sir.
Very crazy. My God. Look at that. Just shave your legs, bro. I'm just shave them, bro. Do it. Do it. This is the final exercise. एक set कर रहे हैं. Of Bulgarian still extreme fatigue. बिल्कुल failure. Oh my God, how is he doing this यार? I kid you not, मेरी टांगों में इतना खून है, लग रहा है मेरे जिस्म का सारा खून मेरी टांगों में चला गया है. Like I genuinely feel like a super saint right now, bro. Oh my God, obviously I knew you would do this. I had a feeling. Classic YouTube moment. हमने मेरा
पूरा like freaking motivational speech चल रही
record ही नहीं हुआ.
थी और record ही नहीं
नहीं
हुआ.
हुआ.
But the funny thing was that during the speech we were talking about the whole locking in thing
Yeah.
and how it all looks good for the camera, how the
Yeah, and the
optics
camera
look
was
good.
not locked
and the
in.
camera was not locked in, bro.
कैमरा ने बोला screw you guys.
Yeah,
मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो ना?
exactly.
मैं रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं करूँगा.
But khair,
Good workout.
very
Solid
good
freaking
workout.
time spent.
So I would say who you choose to surround yourself with is going to have a significant impact on the kind of quality of life that you live. I am accustomed to training alone, but the moment this guy walked in, so हमारी vibes match कर रही थी, energies match कर रही थी, and we were willing to push each other through our weak spots.
Hell yeah.
So sometimes in life, Allah sends people your way, and sometimes they're to test you, and sometimes they're to help you. You have to have the wisdom to understand which from which. And once you're able to do that and you're truly able to decipher, then you know that the people who come around to actually inspire you, motivate you, you enjoy being around them and they add quality to your life.
Best way to say it is कि कुछ लोग होते हैं side quest, कुछ लोग होते हैं main mission. Just lock in on the main mission, side quest को side quest की तरह treat करें. And with that being said, see you guys in the next bet.